Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Yeah, welcome friends. Now in this video we are going to see some three print formulas. One is left, right and middle. So I'm going to show the first one, that is left. So E equals to left. Left. See what happens when you use this formula. Returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. So if you enter E equals to left, it is going to print the starting characters. So equals to left, open bracket, and here select the text. That means select the cell address, comma. So from the left side, how many number of characters that you wanted to print? I would like to print the number of characters is 3. Then close bracket. Then press enter. So out of Mohan name, from the left side, it is going to print MOH. And here in this cell equals to left, open bracket, select this string address, comma. I would like to print number of characters is MOH, that means 5, then close bracket. So it is going to print the total name as Mohan, right? And next we'll be seeing one more formula, that is equals to right, open bracket. See what happens in right side. Returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. So it means it is going to print from the reverse side. So equals to right, open bracket, select the text string address, comma. From the right side, I would like to print 3 characters. That means HNA, the last 3 characters, 3, then close bracket. So here it is going to print the last 3 characters. Again equals to RIGHT equals to right, open bracket, select the cell address, comma. I would like to print from the last 5 characters, again close. So the last 5 ISH out of Krishna, it is going except K, it is going to print the remaining characters. And next we are going to try one more, that is middle. So equals to mid, mid returns the characters from the middle of a text string. So equal to print, I would like to print the characters of Mohan Krishna, and I would like to start printing except MOH. So I would like to print from 4th character. I would like to print from 4th character. From 4th character to, I would like to print 2 characters. That means, what is the 4th character here in the Mohan Krishna name? What is the 4th character? MOH. A is the 4th character. So I would like to print from 4th character. It means I would like to print from A to how many characters? A to 2 characters. That means A and N. Enter. So it is going to print A and N. Again equals to mid, open bracket, select the string address, comma. I would like to print from 4th character. From 4th character, I would like to print more 4 characters. Again close bracket, then press enter. So it means AN space K. From 4th character, we are going to print 4 characters. So this is how the print formula functions work.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.